how to review your photos and videos on Facebook Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to review your photos and videos on Facebook Lite. First thing, go to Facebook Lite and then click these three lines in the top corner and go down until you find settings, and now click activity log and go down until you find your posts, and here you will find photos and videos. Click on it, and as you see here you can review your photos and videos. I don't have any photos or videos, that's why there's nothing here. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.